Having an outdoor living space is essential to both your health and well-being. Whether it's a beautifully designed common area at work to take advantage of the fresh air, or a comfortable green space to spend time with family and friends, spending time outside is important.
The importance of an outdoor space, especially in an urban environment, is really that it creates an escape from traffic, from noise, from trains, from buses. It's a place where you can, just get away from all that. It's an oasis. The second part is it's really an extension of your lifestyle. So you can create a space that is, meant for relaxation, maybe meant for entertaining, having dinner parties, or maybe it's just a place to hang out with your family.
From the design and build down to the maintenance, Town & Gardens has a team of experts that can create an outdoor space worth celebrating.
Town & Gardens is a full-service landscape design build company operating in New York City since 1995. And the services that we provide our clients and what sets us apart really is the people that work for Town & Gardens. We have a very diverse staff made up of many backgrounds and experiences, ranging from hardscaping to irrigation, lighting services, plant material, of course, water features, structural elements, which are gazebos, pergolas. What sets us apart is our customer service. We provide our clients the one-on-one attention, where we look to merge their vision with ours to help develop a space that they could cherish for years to come.
The client interaction with the design team is very critical. It usually starts with an initial conversation. We want to see what the preferences are, what the goals are for the space, and then we start to try to figure out what the budget is. And budget is key, because everyone has one. So we'll talk about the elements, what those things might cost, and try to shape a budget. From there, we create a design agreement where we come up with a few concepts. There's feedback, there's revisions, and really we're defining the space until it gets to a point where we can make an installation proposal. And the installation proposal is the final step to creating the space. One of the benefits of working with the design build firm is that you're going to be working with the same team from start to finish. Obviously aesthetics are important, but also, designing to the limitations of the space, the preferences of the client, and of course the budget. The budget's always going to be a key component of that. So throughout the design process, we are always talking budget, and we're always talking, eye on the prize and the final deliverable. Proper plant selection is at the core of everything we do. We're not just creating gardens, we're creating spaces where, people want to spend a lot of time. Material selection, whether that's paving, planters, fencing materials, and of course, plant selection. That's key, because in New York City you could have a handful of microclimates in the same backyard. So having that knowledge, having that understanding, and being able to design and build to that is a big advantage to have.
Find a company that you can trust, that have a lot of supportive ideas to mesh well with the client's vision, but the experience is paramount. You need to have a company that is going to be able to execute as well as communicate properly and make sure every step of the way the client's feeling comfortable as the space progresses, and make sure all their concerns and questions are being answered, and ultimately make sure that that entire experience from concept, from initial meeting to completion and beyond to ongoing maintenance, is a enjoyable experience.
We have an incredibly diverse workforce. We have horticulturalists, we have carpenters, we have people that have skills and talents that span the entire breadth of the industry. One person might not have all the answers, but I can guarantee that someone under the roof of Town & Gardens will have the answer for you.
If you're looking for a high-end landscape design company, visit their website, townandgardens.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.